There is something gentle and serene about this place that soaks into you and makes you gentle and serene. And far away you can hear the sound of a fisherman.
Rocky.
This is a drink that real men that cook in the kitchen drink, and that's why it's pink. But what it is water, warm water with padimukam, which is a combination of 10 herbs and spices, and kerangini. It's supposed to be very good for your digestion. It's supposed to help purify your blood. This is actually rainwater which is harvested, boiled, and then it's got all these herbs and spices put. Go on, have a sip.
I've already felt healthy, I already had a sip.
Okay.
See my face. It's very healthy.
That fish is also very healthy for you. If you don't like healthy stuff, I can take it away.
No, please.
Okay.
And this is the lady fish that I helped cook, or actually stood around while it was cooked. And I'm going to take at least one of them.
Water
just to
Khabe.
start off with a light snack.
What I have on my plate so far is this, the beautiful organic rice. Look how puffy it is, grown here on the property. And this, which is called wal bhaji. It's basically a kind of a runner spinach. What they do is they mix it with some haldi, some spices, tomato, and it serves as a really nice side.
The lady fish is steamed perfectly. The flesh is really firm. And the paste, which is now fully cooked, has taken on an absolutely incredible texture. And I would have never believed that you can make this without oil.
The yam is still chewy, quite fibrous, but the mix of masalas is to die for. Overriding taste I can get in my mouth is the curry patta and the mustard.
This is a really nice change. Most of the time when you're traveling on the highway, you're eating some incredible regional food, though most of it is prepared in a very special manner. In India, if it's special, it means it's going to have a lot of oil, it's going to have a lot of ghee. This food, on the other hand, is really nice, and it's actually going to energize you because there's no oil in this.
Have you ever noticed how food that's cooked quickly, like in the dhabas and stuff, slows you down? But food that's cooked slowly speeds you up.
After this divine meal, we're feeling heavenly, so we're going to go visit a really big god.
But not before we give you Rocky and Mayur's report card. Taste. 8. Agreed. 8. What about the ambience?
10.
10.
How about the service?
Fabulous. 9.
Attention to detail, 9. And value for money?
We can't afford it. No. Let's celebrate this meal with a real man's toast. With your pink drink.
To your health. National Highway 17 coming out from Gokarna is a mess. Huge problem getting out. Really bad highways. But if you take a right turn from National Highway 17 and go down a little way, you'll come to this magnificent structure. The Raja Gopura, 237.5 feet high, sitting surrounded by the Arabian Sea on 3 sides.
But Apollo, go the distance. We've gone that extra mile. And we have come here to Murudeshwara, which is the home of the second largest Shiva statue in the world.
Nano.
Right behind us is the statue of Sri Murudeshwar or Shiva in this home, which is 123 feet high.
It's a spectacular sight to come here by the ocean, the waves crashing, and you see this beautiful temple and this amazing statue of Shivji. It is truly, truly a nice sight, especially with the setting sun in the back.
Because when the sun sets at 7 p.m. every evening, they have a beautiful aarti. The whole place gets lit up. It's a fitting farewell to the Lord and says, see you tomorrow.
Thank you, O Lord, for giving us a beautiful sunset and amazing sunrise. The only thing that we need help with, and just a little bit, is some delicious breakfast which I haven't had. That's why I'm looking so weak.
Just in case God isn't paying attention to sinners like you, I have help for us right here.
With your portable navigation device?
Yes. Whoa. I can drive you to help.
Okay.
Nearest car repair service, hospital, doctor, police station, pharmacy, dentist.
You take me to the nearest dentist.
Or I could take you to the police station because policemen खाना तो खाते हैं वहाँ पे.
One of us can be turned in for a reward of 300 rupees, which will give me a meal for 2 days. Let's go. Police station it is. Shall we?
Oh yeah, just one thing.
Food courts.
A fish called paru and a vegetable called tendi. The food in Karwar is nice and the people are very friendly.
We don't like fast food. We like it cooked slowly. Thank you, Chef Joy. No offense, but we would have preferred Joy. Love
Joy Matthew, love bite. Love bite.
Come on.
Udupi, 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 Udupi.
Udupi, Udupi.